Hi, this is Ron and Casey with Coeur Builders, and today we're going to be doing a cosmetic repair to some windowsills at this house. And if you'll notice down here on the windowsills, the corners of them have been chewed up by the dogs in the household. You can see right here, they've got a hold of these two corners right here, and on this side, these two corners right here. Now I've already started the repair, and basically what we're going to do is, instead of taking off this windowsill and putting a brand new one on, we're going to add one on top to save them some time and money, because to get this sill off we would have to pull this window trim off, pull these jamb legs off, then take the windowsill out, put the new one back in, and then replace the new jambs and the trim around the window here. And to get them to stop doing this again, instead of breaking the windowsill up with a division right here, as you can see right over here, we're going to go ahead and make a one-piece windowsill to go all the way across. So the only chance of them chewing up anything would be on these very ends. And as you can see here, they haven't elected to chew up the ends of the windows. It's only at these center points right here. So hopefully we can make sure that they don't do that on the ends. Now, to cover up the raw edge of this board here, which I'm going to have to cut off flush with the sheetrock, we're going to place a nice trim, the 1.5" wide trim that will cover this raw edge, and it's utilized as a skirt board underneath the windowsill, which is common in trimming out windows. So I'll show you what that's all about in just a little bit. And as you remember, our purpose was to get a one continuous sill on this set of windows right here, so that we didn't have these little teeny wings right here showing between the two windows, so that we could keep the dogs from not chewing on them. So it's dry fit in place right now. Next I'm going to take and attach the skirt board that I talked to you about right here, to cover up the raw edge of the old sill and the scuff marks on the sheetrock. And then we'll go ahead and caulk the sill in and paint, and we'll be complete. I'll show you when we're done. Hey there, I'm back again, and the owners decided that they wanted to paint the window sills themselves, so I'm going to go ahead and show you our finished product. As you can see here, there's no more little ends sticking out in between the windows for the dogs to chew on. And if you look underneath the windowsill, there's that little skirt board that I talked about. Now let me pan through to the rest of the window. And as you can see, it's all one piece all the way through. So we've accomplished our mission, and both Casey and I want to thank you for watching our video and look forward to the next.